and I'm gonna be driving the car in sports mode. Okay, so I just changed it. Okay, so I just changed it to sport. So I hope you can see, once you signal, there will be a side camera that turns on to show you your blind spot. Okay, why I'm in the second lane and not the first lane is because everyone in the first lane is going above the speed limit. So I have to drive on this lane if I want to keep my speed at the speed limit or below. Okay, so when I floor the car, it will automatically downshift to the lowest available gear so that I can pick up speed faster. Also, I think that's a dash cam, by the way. Also, I want to point out something. This car, right, the lane keep assist is on by default. So sometimes I find it a bit intrusive in the sense that I don't realize it. Okay, you see, like now, I don't realize it's on. Oh, now it doesn't work. Okay, I don't realize it's on, and then when I'm starting to like veer out just a little bit, the car will correct itself. Okay, you see right now I'm gonna try to go out my lane. Okay, the car doesn't correct itself. Okay, let me try again. You see? Okay, let these cars pass. I'm gonna try again. Okay, you see? The car corrects itself. But I have to point out that sometimes, okay, that's dangerous. Yeah, sometimes it gets too close to the lines. Okay, so let me try veer out. Yeah, keep hands on steering wheel. Okay. Yep. Next, I'm gonna try the cruise control. I'm gonna turn this off first. Okay, I'm gonna try cruise control. So right now it's tagged to the lorry in front at 82 kilometers per hour. Okay, so I hope you guys can see my feet. I don't think you can, but basically right now I am not touching any of the pedals. I'm just letting the car maintain its speed. Okay, and you can adjust the distance also. So right now distance is level 4, which is the furthest. If let's say I want to go nearer, I'll just adjust the speed, adjust the distance accordingly. I don't know whether it can tag to the lorry in front because it's quite far, but it's still maintaining the speed about 82, 83 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this is the smart cruise control. Next feature is like your auto steer. So basically it keeps you in your lane, and it also negotiates slight bends for you. Okay, so right now it's on already, and you will see once we hit that small you know, that slight bend in front, the car will steer for me. Okay, so right now the car is driving itself and steering itself. Okay, keep hands on steering wheel. Yeah, so once in a while you have to, every few seconds actually, you have to you know, put your hands on the steering wheel. But apart from that, yeah, it's driving itself now. But on after a certain angle, right, if the bend is too sharp, the car will disengage and you have to take control. So just be mindful of that. Okay, so the Kia Stinger is driving itself, 83 kilometers per hour. I'm not speeding. Yeah. If on camera it looks as if the car is too close to the left lane markings, that's because it is. It's yeah, it's more to the left rather than to the right. Okay, so I'm gonna take control now and drive the car myself. Gonna exit here. If you go to Malaysia a lot, you know where this place is. This is on the way to Tuas checkpoint.